Hi, I'm Jill Vanderwood, and today I'm so excited to let you know that my book, The Unkindness Club, a Purdy Franklin Mystery Number 1, which is a middle grade book, has been published. And I will walk you through the steps that I took in publishing this book today. So first, of course, I had to write the book, and the main character is a deaf girl, and she turns into a cat at night. And together with her best friend Rowan, who is in a wheelchair, they solve mysteries. The first step was to write the book, and then next step was to have it critiqued. And I belong to a critique group through the Society of Children's Book Writers and Illustrators. The next step was to find somebody who would read my book, and she's from the deaf community. Her name is April Gayak, and she pointed out some things that would make the book more friendly for a deaf person's perspective. The next step was to hire a deaf illustrator, and his name is Frankie Grant from Timeless Art, and he was the one that did the cover, and he did signs inside, sign language, and he also did some illustrations for me. The next step was to buy a program, and it's called Atticus. And Atticus is a formatting program. I've never formatted a book before, and this was really interesting and fun, but also frustrating. So they have videos along the way on each step, plus they have an assistant who is AI, which will give you pointers, but they aren't doing it with AI. They're just giving you information. And then the next step was to hire Doug Jones from Idea Creations Press. I've worked with him before, and he did the format for the cover. And then the book was ready. I proofread it again several times after that, and then I went to Amazon KDP Direct Publishing, and I published the book. I've already been registered with KDP because I have 14 books before this, and this is the 15th book. And they have a previewer once you have your cover and all your information in there, and you preview to see if everything is right. I did this 10 times. The reason I did it 10 times is because my pictures kept showing up in the wrong places, and I had to go back into my format and fix those. Once that was fixed, the book was published, and it's both on Amazon Kindle and also in print, and this is called Print on Demand. I will be walking you through other steps that I'm going to do, and I'm going to hit the ground running and do some marketing with this book. Thank you for listening, and have a great day. Bye.